Hello guys, how is it? So this is our last presentation on rule-based classification and it. So rule-based classification is a method used to classify data and it. So it uses a set of if and then and rules. So this one is different from the if else when you are coding, and it's different from that one. This one uses if and then and uses these three letters if and then. So if condition then conclusion, you get it. So if condition then conclusion, and so these three words, they are the rules. So it's not always that you will find the end in a rule. The end word is not always there, and it's sometimes there's the conclusion, there's the condition in the conclusion, and end is used when the conditions are more than one, right? So let's go on to rule. So for example, there is a child and we want to buy that child a laptop, and so maybe the sponsor is saying if that child is a youth and if that child is a student, we will buy that child a laptop, and so the rule, if you want to generate a rule from those statements, we will say if age is equals to youth, right? It's a condition. Another condition again is and if student is equals to yes, and these are the two conditions. Then the conclusion, then buys computer is equals to yes, and so if the student, if the person is a youth, yes, and again if the person is a student, yes, then we buy the student a computer, right? Okay, so this is an example of a rule, and this is an example of a rule. So I will take you through this decision tree, and I want to derive a number of rules from this decision tree. So for instance, let's say you are given this table, this tree, this decision tree, and you are asked to derive maybe a number of rules, So let me do it like this. Okay, let's start from the head of the tree, from the root of the tree. So this tree is talking about if the weather is good, the child is going outside to play. If the weather is bad, the child is not going outside to play, right? So if outlook is equals to sunny and humidity is equals to high, then play is equals to no. So we're saying if the outside is sunny but the humidity is high, the kid is not going outside to play. And this is the first rule. The second rule, we are saying if the outlook is sunny and the humidity is normal, the kid will go outside to play. And the end word is used because there are a number of conditions here, right? Let's take this one for instance. There will be no end because there's just one condition. So we're saying if the outlook is overcast, play is equals to yes, and then there is no end because the condition is one. So another rule that can be generated here, let's say if outlook is equals to rain and wind is equals to weak, play is equals to yes. So this is it about decision tree. This is it about decision tree. When you want to get rules from a decision tree, that's how we do it. So these are just the two rules that I've done for you. If you feel like you want more, you can generate the rules from the binary, from the decision tree, or you can get other decision trees of your choice and generate the rules as you want. So this is all about rule-based classification.